Okay, we're here at Shadbush Nature Center. We're just outside of our bee yard, and we have a honeybee swarm, which is probably something you're not going to see a lot of times in your life unless you're a beekeeper. And there are thousands of bees here. They've left the hive with a queen. The queen has decided it's time to start a new hive, and so she takes off, and maybe a third to two-thirds of the bees go with her. They're moving pupa right now. Those aren't eggs, by the way. Eggs are tiny. Anytime you see them moving something white, that's a pupa.
The bees will swarm 50 to 100 feet from the hive. They've done that today. Their apiary is about 20 feet from here. They will cluster around the queen, and they have this time landed on the trunk of a tree, which is small enough that we can shake it.
4 or 5 homes there.
So there could be 20,000 bees?
Yeah.
In that tree?
Yeah.
2, 3.
Hey, let me have the smoker.
Smoker man?
Right here.
Is it going?
The queen must be in here because they are all pheromoning at the entrance right here. But apparently we have our queen in there. You can tell when the bees start crawling into the hive, they put their little bums in the air. And what they're doing is releasing a scent called a pheromone. And the one they're sending off is sending this signal, the queen is here, the queen is here. So she's telling them, all the rest of the bees in the air, the girls who are pheromoning this are telling them, come down here, this is where she is. So the bees in the air will smell that and then come down. It's not something a human can smell, but it's specifically for the bees, and that they smell it. Their whole lifetime, they live about 6 weeks during the summer because they work so hard that they shred their wings out in the fields from flying. About 6 weeks they live, 12 of them, to make a teaspoon of honey. So we want every single bee we can get. We don't want to waste any of them.
Incredible.